Hello, we're group number 10, and we would like to present you the 4D model that we've been working on for the past 2 weeks on the Innovation Camp.
In this 4D model, we have 4 phases: discover, dream, design, deliver.
In the discover phase, you are doing research. It is important to find new information on internet, library, or asking your friends. Find new knowledge about what the users see, feel, think, say, and do. Finding new answers for the questions like what, who, where, how, when, and why. You have to remember that the discover phase is about facts, curiosity, and not about the new ideas.
The main focus on the dream phase is to come up with and share all of the ideas that come to our minds. Firstly, there is a need to determine the problem to have a good understanding of what exactly has to be improved and created to prepare a solid foundation for collecting inspirations for future phases. Then, it's time to be creative and empty your brain to the idea bank in a most resourceful way. Later on, with the use of specially designed tools, we can develop our creative thinking to the maximum. And remember, go dream.
Some of the tools that we used to generate ideas were: the first tool was Campfire. The way we used this tool was by writing our focus question down and place it in the middle where all could see it. While focusing on the focus question, we each spent 5 minutes on our own to write ideas on the sticky notes and placing them around the focus question. The second tool we used was Reverse Brainstorm. With this tool, we rephrased our focus question to the opposite and then came up with ideas and solutions to solve it. At the end, we used the negative ideas to make a positive opposite. The third tool we used was Personas. With this tool, we choose 3 different types of occupations that have no relation to our challenge. Then we tried to imagine the different personas' thoughts about how they would solve the challenge and wrote down those ideas. The last tool that we used was Chain of Words. With this tool, we started by finding a random start word that has no relation to our challenge. After that, we took turns saying words that came to our minds, so we got a chain of words. At the end, we generated ideas by combining the words with our focus question.
When we switch to the design phase, then we should know that here the ideas are qualified. First, in the dream phase, all the great ideas were created using different tools. Now we should make a cluster of the ideas from the bank of great ideas and give each cluster a heading. From the idea catalog, we are supposed to choose the 2 best headlines and discuss the clusters. Here we answered the main question by looking into the advantages and disadvantages, the value, and which of the ideas reflect the best for the innovation. At this time, the best 2 ideas have to be sketched, built, discussed, designed, and tested. Now it's time to choose the best of 2 ideas. The validation matrix is going to be used for choosing the best idea. Depending on it, we choose the best idea ever.
The idea with the NABC method is that every time take the needs of the customer into consideration to elevate the value of our idea. The value is created by dealing with the method's 4 phases: needs, approach, benefits, and competition. The first 2 phases are characterized by an exploratory and analytical approach, whereas the 2 others are characterized by a critical position taking as well as present our idea in an easily accessible and catchy way. Needs related to the needs of the customer, which is the starting point for the development process. Approach refers to the idea, which must cover for the customer need. Benefits refers to the advantage which the customer has by using our solution. Competition refers to the competitors and the defense our solution will meet on the road.